Namaste and welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to get straight into something I think many of us have seen, maybe even experienced. It's this, confusing situation with jobs asking for Excel experts.
Right. The description versus the reality.
Exactly. What the job actually involves, and let's be honest, what it pays.
Yeah.
We've got some really, really insightful points from a chat between Tar Ganguly and Nikita Deshmukh Patil.
Yes. From that piece, Excel, interviews, and the salary truth nobody tells you.
That's the one. Think of it as getting some insider info dropped right here.
Mm-hmm.
So our goal today is pretty straightforward. Let's unpack this whole Excel job title thing. What are the traps? And maybe offer some, practical advice.
Sounds good. Because the core issue Nikita brings up is quite stark, isn't it?
It really is.
Companies, they definitely need people strong in Excel. That's clear. But then
they bundle much more complex work under that simple label.
Precisely. We're talking forecasting, building dashboards, real data analysis stuff, but they call it Excel work.
And the pay reflects that label, not the actual work.
Absolutely. Nikita gave that example, didn't she? About roles worth maybe 12 LPA?
Being advertised or offered at just 4 LPA, simply because it's framed as Excel work, it really makes you stop and think.
It does. What are the expectations versus the compensation?
Yeah, it feels like Excel expert has become this sort of catch-all phrase for tasks way beyond spreadsheets. Nikita mentioned things like building complex financial models, automating entire reporting dashboards.
Extracting actual business insights, too.
Yep.
That's analyst work.
Totally. These aren't basic data entry things. You need analytical thinking.
But the title and the salary, often lagging far behind.
Right.
And, this links to another frustrating point Nikita made.
The data-driven decisions part.
Exactly that, the irony of it. The people creating the very data reports that are supposed to drive strategy
are often left out of the room when those strategies are discussed.
Yeah. It screams undervaluation, doesn't it? You do the hard analytical work, but you don't get a seat at the table.
It's like wanting the cake, but not wanting to pay the baker properly.
Well put. And Nikita backs this up with actual numbers. She mentioned the Analytics India Magazine 2024 salary report.
Oh, right. What did it say?
Well, she highlighted that entry-level data analysts, especially in Tier 2 cities, might be earning as low as, wait for it, 2.5 LPA.
Wow. 2.5.
Yeah. So you see the cost saving for companies, right? Get analyst level output.
For potentially much, much less just by calling it an Excel role.
We should definitely share the link to that report for anyone interested.
Good idea. Okay, so faced with this this clear undervaluation pattern, what's the advice? What can people actually do?
Nikita's advice is very practical. It's all about communication, especially in interviews.
How so?
She says basically, stop just listing your Excel skills. Focus on the impact.
Okay. So not just, I know VLOOKUP and pivot tables.
Exactly. More like quantify it. How much time did you save?
Like, I automated this weekly report using Excel, cutting down the time by, say, 50%.
Yes. Or the dashboards I build save the team about 4 hours every week. Show the ROI.
Return on investment. Makes sense. It's moving from just technical skill
to tactical value. Nikita put it very well, didn't she? Excel alone doesn't get you paid. Impact does.
That's a great line. It's about showing the business value you delivered using Excel, not just that you know the software.
Precisely.
So wrapping this part up, the key takeaway is, well, Excel skills are great, necessary even.
But not sufficient on their own for fair pay.
Right. You have to demonstrate tangible results, real business value.
Which brings us to a thought for our listeners, maybe something Nikita touched on.
Go on.
This idea of dashboard gatekeeping. Have you ever seen that?
Explain that a bit more.
Like situations where the people who build these crucial dashboards and reports.
The ones with all the insights.
Yeah. They're somehow kept out of the meetings where those insights are actually used for decisions.
I see. That's interesting and probably quite frustrating for the person involved.
Definitely worth thinking about if you've seen that dynamic play out in your workplace. What are the wider effects?
It's a good question to ponder. Ultimately, we hope unpacking this helps everyone listening.
Yeah, use these insights, understand the landscape a bit better.
Advocate for your real worth. Remember, the value you bring goes far beyond just knowing formulas in a spreadsheet.
Absolutely. Keep exploring that value.